Well, Saxton will be sleeping with the lights on again.
I don't even know if Roman Reigns knows what to make of that, Bray Wyatt, but still, nonetheless, the big dog is set for hard.
Hey, wait a minute,
No, it's Elias from behind.
Could have just finished what's left.
Who was banged up earlier tonight when he lost.
Become a handicap match within a short order. Escape somewhere else. This is a freaking arena. You can go anywhere in Tulsa and run out of the way.
Fear and distract Roman Reigns and Elias.
I personally believe Shane's going to teach Roman the lesson. You don't put your hands on another man's father.
Shane, and he played this entire video about how he's done so many
Assaults in third grade, or is that something you work on? Look at this. Big time Samoan drop.
Made by McIntyre. I can't believe Truth is fighting at this point.
Truth's a glutton for
God, if the new 24/7 champ of the duration of this match.
I think that was a very honorable. Would you rather be on the right side of history?
No. Oh, into the apron.
Of power, people genuinely want to be friends with you.
Whoa.
I mean, it's no surprise.
Is doing what he's got to do because it's a means to an end. He said Raw and SmackDown apparently. He won WrestleMania. Now it's Elias, the new 24/7 champion.
As Roman's tag team
Again,
partner. Maybe Truth change to put down the big dog. It's logic. It's the business is what the fans do.
R-Truth hanging in this fight there. Tag to Elias. Tag. In comes Roman Reigns. Deck revisited. The big dog is fresh. And Superman punched him just last.
Buy on it, Shane.
Roman Reigns loaded up. Superman punch. Hey, look out. Drive-by to Elias. And there's Shane McMahon. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, McIntyre. It's Elias. Heads up. Spear. Reigns and Truth win.
Best in the world. Once again, Shane McMahon. Oh, no.
Another spear from Reigns.
Truth, cover him, Truth.
Truth is taking a hell of a beating here tonight. Truth has won the title back. Truth. What a wonderful moment.